We're learning more information tonight about the fatal stabbing at an Eau Claire bar over the weekend. Police have now released the names of the victim and the suspect who appeared in court for the first time today. We're also learning more about what led up to the attack. Toby Moore joins us to break down the details.
An unprovoked attack is what Eau Claire police say happened Saturday night at the Dudage Inn. The suspect is now behind bars, charged with homicide.
Mr. Jackson appears virtually from the jail with Attorney Stoyer.
Anthony Jackson from Eau Claire appearing in court Tuesday for an initial appearance. Jackson is charged with first-degree intentional homicide in the death of 31-year-old Alex Graff from Medford.
A young life was taken in our community as a result of an act of senseless violence.
Eau Claire Police Chief Matt Rokas says Graff was in town visiting a friend and playing pool at the Dudage Inn when Jackson attacked them, stabbing Graff in the heart, face, and back while Graff ran out of the bar. He later died at the hospital. Rokas says Jackson and Graff did not know each other, and the attack was unprovoked. According to the criminal complaint, surveillance video shows Jackson was acting strange, pacing and talking to himself before approaching Graff and his friend.
Without any type of visible argument, Jackson took a knife out of his pocket and stabbed Graff several times.
Are drugs or alcohol at all believed to have been a factor in that?
A blood sample was collected from Jackson as part of the investigation. Results from that examination, they're going to be looking for the presence of drugs and alcohol.
Rokas says Jackson, who is homeless, is no stranger to the criminal justice system. Eau Claire police have arrested him 20 times this year, and he has 8 other open criminal cases in Eau Claire County for charges like disorderly conduct, property damage, and throwing bodily fluids at an officer. In addition to first-degree intentional homicide, Jackson is also charged with attempted first-degree homicide with a weapon for trying to attack Graff's friend. If convicted, he would face life in prison. In Eau Claire, I'm Toby Moore.
Thanks, Toby. In court today, a $2 million bail was set for Jackson. He is due back in court December 26th. You can find the full video of today's press conference at WQOW.com. A GoFundMe has been set up for the victim, Alex Graff. His family said he was a devoted son, a caring brother, a loving boyfriend, and a supportive and humorous friend. We have a link to donate to the fund to help his family on our website, WQOW.com. Eau Claire City Council President Emily Berge releasing a statement this afternoon regarding the deadly stabbing, saying her heart is heavy. It said in part, many of us think of Eau Claire as a safe place. However, a homicide in our city shatters this sense of safety. I know that people are concerned and shaken. I share these feelings with you all. She went on to thank area law enforcement, EMS, and the patrons and staff at the Dudage who were able to help in the aftermath.